Hey friends, welcome to this first decorating tutorial. The techniques I'm using today are really geared towards a beginner who doesn't have much cookie decorating experience, but every video this week is going to get increasingly more challenging, so be sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out. Even though I'm choosing to keep my gingerbread people pretty straightforward, you can definitely jazz these up however you want if you're a little bit more advanced or just feeling adventurous. So you could use different colors of icing, sprinkles, sugars, even painting chocolate on the back of these would be really a great addition. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you have questions, please just let me know in the comments below. 15-second consistency just means that when you drizzle the icing back into the container, the ribbons should disappear in 15 seconds. Here I'm using a Wilton No. 1 piping tip. So this is a really narrow tip and it just gives me a little bit more control over the icing. When you're first starting out, you might want to do the cookies just one at a time so you don't feel too rushed. But once you get a little bit more comfortable, you can do them 3 or 4 more at a time just to speed things up.